आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is, which of the following statements about hydrogen are correct? Okay, so we'll consider each of the following statements and determine which of the statements are correct and which are incorrect. Okay, so coming on to the first statement, it says that hydrogen has 3 isotopes. That is true. Out of which protium is the most common. This is very true because there are 3 isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium, and tritium. Okay, and protium is the most common one, so the first statement is correct, right? So protium is the most common isotope of hydrogen that is generally found. Okay, talking about the second statement or the second option, it says that hydrogen never acts as a cation in ionic salts. That is also very correct because in salts hydrogen exists as H negative, which is hydride ion. Okay, it exists as a hydride ion, which is an anion and not a cation. That is why hydrogen never acts as a cation in an ionic salt. It acts as an anion, which is a hydride ion. Okay, so the second statement is also correct. Coming on to the third statement. The third statement says that hydrogen ion H plus exists freely in the solution. That is incorrect. Hydrogen ion does not exist freely in the solution, right? It cannot exist as H plus and freely in the solution. So the statement is incorrect. Coming on to the fourth statement, it says that dihydrogen does not act as a reducing agent. This is also incorrect because it acts as a reducing agent. Because if we talk about dihydrogen, then it has an oxidation number of 0, right? So it has a tendency to oxidize. It has a tendency to oxidize and have an oxidation number of +1. So it has a tendency to undergo oxidation, and the substances which undergo oxidation are generally known as reducing agent. So because it undergoes oxidation, it has a tendency to undergo oxidation, it acts as a reducing agent, right? So the fourth statement is also incorrect. So which are the correct statements for hydrogen? Which of the following statements are correct for hydrogen? The first and the second are correct statements. So option 1 and 2 are the correct answers for the question.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।